Hello students, today we are going to learn naming words or nouns. Everything around us has a name, and these names help us to identify everything. Children, nouns are the names of persons, places, animals, things. Persons like mother, doctor, teacher. So the names given to the persons are known as naming words. We visit so many places, and these places have some or the other name, like market, beach, park. Names given to these places are known as naming words. We see so many animals around us, like cat, dog, cow. And there are a few animals which we see in zoo, like zebra, tiger, lion, and so on. The names given to these animals are also known as naming words. Look around you. You can see so many things. And everything around you has a name. These things like apple, chair, and table, they also have a name. And these names are known as naming words. Students, most of the names are of two types: common names and special names. Common names are the names given to a person, place, or a thing in general. The general names given to a person, place, animal, or a thing. But special names are the names given to a specific person, place, animal, or a thing. Like, all the boys are boys, but Rahul is my friend. So Rahul is a special name given to a particular boy. So, same way, city. There are so many cities, but my uncle lives in Chandigarh. So Chandigarh is a special name given to a particular city. Same with cats. You can see so many cats around you, right? But my sister has a pet cat, and its name is Kitty. Kitty is a special name given to the cat. Same way, every one of you write with pencils, right? So every one of you write with pencils, and everyone's pencil has a special name. Like, my pencil is Natraj pencil. Your pencil can be Apsara pencil, and your friend's pencil can be Dom's pencil. That is how names given to the things are special names. These are given to the specific things. The names given to specific things are also special names. Like Bhagat Singh. You all know about Sardar Bhagat Singh. He was such a brave man. And every one of you know about Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. These are special names given to specific people. Look at the places. The first picture is of Chandigarh. The second of Amritsar Golden Temple. So, the names given to specific places are also called naming words. These are special names. Now you can see the two animals. The first one is a tiger. The second one is a bear. But the tiger and the bear, they are the characters from the story The Jungle Book. And the tiger's name is Sher Khan, whereas the bear's name is Balu. These are the two characters from the Jungle Book. You have seen the movie Jungle Book, in which there is a boy and his name is Mowgli. So these are the special names given to the persons, places, animals and things. Now look at the things. Natraj pencil, Amaze car, Honda Amaze. So this is what? These are special names given to the things. This is how now we know special names are the names given to specific person, place, animal, bird or a thing. All of you remember, whenever we write special names, we begin it with a capital letter. Thank you.